Tinokuchingamidzaimese to yet another episode here on the Music Lounge. If you're new here, please do hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if you're joining us through our Facebook page, we'd like to welcome you back. If you're new here, please do join the family. My name is Fadzai Dzimiri, and I will be your host today on the Music Lounge. Without wasting much of your time, today we've got a very special guest, the one behind the keyboard, Tendai Makonese. I would like to welcome you to the Music Lounge.
Hello guys, my name is Tendai Makonese. As you heard, I'll be playing 288 today.
Now, we'd like to welcome you to the Music Lounge. Now tell us more about yourself. How did you start playing the keyboard?
Well, I started when I was around Form 2.
Mm-hmm.
I used to see most of my friends during high school playing in the jazz band, and some other pianists like Elder Mashape, and now he's based in South Africa. So he's one of the guys who inspired me, playing in church.
Okay.
I always follow where he plays, so yeah, it was really interesting for me.
Yeah, he is really talented. We can't dispute that. So from what I'm getting here, it's a skill you then got to acquire. It's not something you were born with. It's not like you were born with the talent. It's something you had to acquire as you saw people and you were inspired by certain people. Is that correct?
Yeah, I can say partly because, of course, you need to nurture the talent that you might have. But I believe, and I used to practice using internet and other friends. But yeah, I believe it's a talent for me.
So you taught yourself, basically. You didn't have a tutor who would come day in, day out to help you know that this is the key that you're supposed to be playing when you hit this note?
Not exactly. I had a private tutor.
Okay.
Especially when you're learning something like an instrument, you need to master the basics first.
Okay. So
during my early stages, I had a private tutor who could come and teach me.
Okay.
But then later on, I could teach myself.
All right. So on the same note, are you one who also teaches children now how to play the keyboard? And if so, how has it been? It's like a ministry on its own. How has it been? When did you also think that you were ready to teach children how to play the keyboard?
Yeah, in terms of teaching, I believe it's a talent also for me, because I teach German language.
All right.
And then I teach IELTS besides piano.
Okay.
So for me, teaching piano or keyboard, it's pretty easy, because before teaching keyboard, I was teaching German language.
Okay.
So it was easy for me to teach someone keyboard.
So you have the gift of teaching in you. That's what you're saying.
For me, it's natural.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So after teaching children, I guess you have taught so many children how to play the keyboard, right?
Yeah.
And have you had the privilege to actually see them? Have you had the privilege to be part of an audience, seeing your children, seeing the people that you have tutored to play the keyboard actually playing, and people actually appreciating their music? Have you had that privilege to actually do it?
Yeah. I once had that. And, it's just amazing, because sometimes okay,
that's
and then
great.
you'll be surprised with, okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
So definitely.
Okay, so since you're a pianist, have you also played for other artists that we may actually know? Do you have any artists, prominent artists that you also play for?
Yeah, I play for, do you know Elder Mbere?
Yes,
Yeah, I played for him. And then there's Joy Munyono from Mtare.
Okay.
Yeah,
right.
I once did a concert. I went with her.
Okay, that's great. So how has it also been? Just tell us more about your experience through this journey of being a pianist and also playing the keyboard for various people. Just tell us how it has been for you, and have you also been one person to actually appreciate the journey on its own, getting to meet different people with different characters, and also just, making sure you meet their expectations? How has that been for you? Has it been hard? Just tell us more about it.
Yeah, on that, playing for different people sometimes might be a bit tricky, because you meet people with different personalities.
Okay, all right.
So kune vamwe vanenge vachitoziva even though vasingaridze kuzoitawo vamwe vari humble zvokuti they can listen to you and you can really connect, because when you're playing for someone I believe munofanira kunge mune like a relationship yamunayo, so that you understand even the type of music yaanofarira. Pandozoridza paipa it will be easy because I know kuti anofarira maybe slow songs, kana kuti kana ari a soloist anofarira kuisa riffs and runs, so there's a certain way I should play kana munhu achiridza kana munhu achiimba zvakadaro. So definitely yeah, you meet people vamwe vanonetsa
alright.
And then vamwe they'll be okay. And also by playing like playing for other people, you get to learn some of the things just in the music.
Alright.
Because it's obvious when I do like a song with you, we are going to talk besides the music, so you can actually learn and get business ideas from those people.
Okay. So which brings me to my next question. You are the one who has been behind the vocalists who have come in and out of the music lounge all along, right? So before that, okay, no, not before that, but during the process of actually coming together with these people, right? How do you manage knowing that, okay, fine, this person has brought in their recording, I'm supposed to play like this? Because to be honest, the music has been beautiful. So tell us exactly how you do it. Is it just within you to know that, okay, fine, this person has hit this wave, so I'm going to go like this. I'm going to hit this note as I'm playing on the keyboard. Just tell us how it has been for you. Is it something that you can say that you automatically know, I'm going to do this? Or you actually take time and listen to the recording and give yourself time to understand where exactly you're supposed to hit a different note, and just to keep the music exciting? How do you do it? Okay,
like on that, there are certain things. For example, let's say munhu ari kuimba with a high voice. It's obvious I'll be playing like on the low keys so that artists will clash. And then kano achimba with a low voice, maybe like an alto or something, then I'll go like higher, so that panovani balance. And also like I can listen to the audio first and to tell out, all right, this person still yake ndihip. As much tichimba my hymns, but my stills anenge akatosiya. Yeah. So pane nchiterera pepe, then try to connect any song. Because for you to play, zvinozoenderana iye, unofanira to like kuisa like imagination yonga achitoimba, and then ndotoona kuti warati apa aita style yakati, so ini ndofanira kuita zvakati, so that panozorecorda like an audio zvinoconnecta nezvaagara achitoita. So that's the way I do it.
Okay. So is there anyone in your family who has played the keyboard or piano or any other instrument?
No, I think I'm the pioneer.
Okay, I get that.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess that's it, family. We have heard from Tendai Makonese, and without wasting much of your time, let's go on to the keyboard and see what he actually does with the keyboard. Stay blessed.